Right, YouTube. So this is the Bode surround speaker. As you can see, this is the left surround and right surround is on the other side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to mount them to the wall. Well, this brackets are there and very easy to mount them. Here you can see these two holes are for the screws and one hole is there little bit bigger, that's for this notch, so you don't do any mistake right there. So it goes like that, and then we provided the screws. You just gotta mount the screws to these holes. Very simple. So I'm quickly gonna do that and then we'll show you the rest. Alright, so the mounting of the brackets are done, as you can see it right here. Pretty simple. The design is kind of different. That's the place for the in of the screw, and then it may go on this side, and on the top side right there. So now it's depending on your choice. So if you want to place the speakers like this horizontally, then the screws in will go here at the top right there, both of them. And if you want to place them vertically like this, then the screws in will go here. So they have given the option on the three sides. Now you can mount them like this, like that, or even like this too. So that's the nice thing. Now I gotta take the measurement on the wall of this two right here, as I'm gonna mount it just like this, right above the Zebronic speakers. It's gonna be like that. So I'm gonna take the measurement and we'll be back soon.